In this video, we are going to make a trending anime heavenly jump style edit using Capcut. This video is divided into 4 parts, and the last part is my favorite one. So make sure to watch till the end and don't miss it. Let's start with editing. First, arrange the clips and sync them with the beat. These clips are pinned in my Telegram channel, go and check it out. Do the same steps as I am doing in this video. Use cubic and graph for the second keyframe. Use a custom graph for the first keyframe. Apply these to keyframes to all clips. Freeze the clip and adjust it in sync with the beat, or set the duration to 2.5 seconds. Now add a mask and select rectangle. Set the values exactly as I am doing, and apply the same to the other clips. Go to Animation and select Unfold for the overlay clips. Set the speed to 0.5 seconds. Now select the main clips and go to Animation. Choose Swoosh Animation and set the speed to 0.3 seconds. Apply to all. Add a character overlay and do the same steps as I am doing. Add a glass break overlay clip and set its speed to 0.7 seconds. Apply a fade-out animation to it with 0.3 seconds. Add a shake effect and set the values exactly as I am doing. Duplicate the shake effect once. Add the bad TV effect and adjust the values as I am doing. Duplicate it 3 times. Add the motion blur effect and adjust the values as I am doing. Duplicate it once. Apply all these effects to all clips. Set all adjustment values exactly as I am doing in this video. Add clean to filter and set it to 35. Add glow filter and set it to 60. Add 8K filter and set it to 30.